Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and wheat higher while beans were lower. Mixed again so far this morning with corn and beans lower while wheat slightly higher on the day. Day 2 crop tour results, the Pro Farmer Crop Tour. Nebraska, the corn yield is expected to be higher than last year from what they saw. Bean pod count was lower than last year though. And then over in Indiana, both corn yields and bean pod counts were higher than last year. So that was day 2 of the crop tour results. We'll definitely know what they find today as they continue throughout that tour. As far as weather goes, it is expected to warm up here in the Midwest a little bit. I think it's supposed to hit the 90s in Chicago today, and I think we've only had one day in the 90s so far this year. So it is expected to warm up, but there is some pretty adequate soil moisture out there, and there's not really any weather concerns based off that right now. That does change. I will definitely let you know. But as of right now, it's expected to warm up, but we've had quite a bit of rain. Soil moistures are pretty high right now throughout most of the Midwest, so not too much of an issue based on that heat that's expected to come through. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.